What's up, YouTube? As I'm preparing to get absolutely fucked, we got a little interesting video for you guys today. That's pumping. Got the Mustang back, as you can see. She's dirty as all hell, but she's back. Got the K-member in, the 315 gears in the rear end. And today, just got off work, so technically this morning, we're gonna find out how much of a difference that makes. We're gonna do some 60 to 130 times, hopefully. And just think it'll be a nice little comparison. Well, kind of a comparison. It's hot as fuck. It's currently 3:30 in the morning right now, and it's 80 degrees. So I'm not expecting great numbers. It's heavier, longer gear, still on wastegate with peasant pump gas, as you can see. So if I can get a mid to low 7, I'll be happy with it, but we'll see how this goes. I don't know. Like I said, it's still clearly full interior. Got my work shit in there. Full interior, you know. Shout out to Tell's Performance. My boy Brandon Webster getting me good. Literally fucking nothing's been, well, no air tire kit, whatever the fuck, but that's the only thing that's been taken out. So she's heavy, like she's always has been. Got the valence cut. Think that looks pretty cool. So we're just gonna see how it works. I'll stitch some videos in of what it runs, and we'll see. Hopefully it's good. As you can see, it did slow down a bit, you know, not terrible though. I think it did run pretty good considering it got heavier, and you know, it was full weight, full tank of gas, you know, still on wastegate. Not bad. The only issue that I'm having is that it still has false knock issues in between shifts. I have no idea why, legit have no clue. Brandon checked, nothing is hitting on anything, so I have no idea what could be causing this false knock, but something is. In some of the runs that I'm not going to post, I can if you guys want me to, it literally ran a 875, a 850, it ran like 860 to 130. I'm like, that is fucking terrible, you know. So I'm like, there's no way, something's wrong. And then, you know, it could be the heat, because inlet air temps were like 82 degrees, even though the dragy says it was 77 for some fucking reason. It was literally 80 degrees outside. So I don't know. That's just kind of where it's at right now. I want to be able to fix the false knock thing in between shifts, because I had to no list shift in order to get it to run a good number, and I don't want to do that with a stock Mt82 and a stock clutch. That's just, it's not going to last long doing that, and I know that, but it's just where we're at now. So we'll move forward as, you know, we kind of figure out where to go from here. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day.